Hello everyone, this is Enchanted Life Path TV. Just a quick one here, not going to hang about for a while on this one, just going to get it done fast. Research has developed a device that can hear your internal voice. New headset can listen to internal vocalisation and speak to wearer whilst appearing silent to the outside world. So once again we have South Park appearing as a form of documentary with its ahead of time piss takes on situations like this.
Wait, shh, I should be careful. Kyle's here and I think he might work for the NSA. What the hell are you doing? Kyle, if you wouldn't mind, this broadcast is for my shitter followers only. What shitter? Don't know if you've heard, but the government is actually able to monitor all our emails and Twitter accounts. With shitter, I don't even need a cell phone. My thoughts are sent directly to the internet and then to everyone else on shitter. Wow. Yes, now I can reach all my shitter followers and tell them where my rallies are without the government listening in. You're okay with everything you think going up on the internet? Yeah, because the government won't respect my privacy. How many people are on shitter? Just 2 so far, me and Alec Baldwin.
Okay, so we are now at a situation or a point of human evolution where life imitates art, right? Researchers developed a device that can hear internal voice, okay? Researchers tap into people's schizophrenia and put it into technology and go and try and make money on the back of it. Researchers have created a wearable device that can read people's minds, and when they use an internal voice, allowing them to control devices and ask queries without speaking. The device called, oh, I'm not even reading anymore. This is Enchanted Life Path TV. Thanks for watching and speak soon. I'm only messing. It's called Alter Ego. What the fuck? The device called MK Ultra can transcribe words that wearers verbalise internally but do not say out loud. Oh, well, some people are just fucked in the head full of sick jokes that'll get everyone sent to jail. Do you know what I mean? When it's monitored by Twitter police and Facebook police and Google and shit like that. Oh, it's unbelievable. Our idea was, we have a computing platform that's more internal, that melds human and machine in some ways, and that feels like an internal extension of our own cognition. Unbelievable. More transhumanism, and by transhumanism, I mean posthumanism, and by posthumanism, I don't mean it's got anything to do with transgenders, but it is another sort of agenda. It's the post-human agenda, where they just want to turn us all into robots and then just rob our souls and upload them into other robots and just carry on our consciousness that way. In short, so Kapur devices, the headset is an intelligent augmentation or IA device, and was presented at the Association for Computing Machinery. Now, do you know what? I might even go over and show you something, because it does not end here. Right, so now if I can go to human, I'm doing this wonky human remote control. I am not messing.
These comments are so funny. I love freaking Ernest.
Dat was the little shithead that I wanted. This is it.
Misschien zegt hij nu in het Japans, ik wil niet. En dan zegt die professor, je moet. En dan kijk, nou pakt de professor, die pakt nu knoert van een afstandsbediening. And you're pushing him now to left and to right.
Yes.
You're pushing him off balance. He does this, but he feels like he is standing upright.
Yeah, upright.
I understand. And with this, you're confusing his balance system. Can I do? Huh? Okay. Doe maar, Arigato. Het is toch om. Hij kijkt niet naar me. Hij ziet niet wat ik doe. En kijk, ik doe nu naar links, dan gaat hij naar rechts als het goed is. Hij verstaat geen Nederlands. Kijk, daar gaat hij. Zie je, hij kan niet blijven staan.
So anyway, to go outside. He's telling you how good it is.
Wear er wel serieus uit, maar als je het ziet geloof je het eigenlijk niet. Dan denk je, ja, dat kan niet. Hoe kan je nou iemand dwingen of manipuleren om een bepaalde kant uit te lopen? Nu voelt het, ja, nu voelt het. Ja, als ik mijn ogen dicht doe, dan is het echt. Ja, dit voelt toch.
Unbelievable. I know it is quite easy to fake it and what have you, but suppose it is what it is. Now, let's just see. Let's just watch this, shall we? Alter Ego is a wearable system that allows, without any voice or discriminating on movements enabling user. It's going too fast. And this is what they want people walking down the street looking like. And then the next thing,
10:43 a.m.
it is literally shitter. So then the next thing we're walking down, we've got cameras in our eyeballs and stuff like that. And that's what post-humanism is. And that's what we don't want to become. But everyone's got iPhones and they'll slip it in there and they'll be like, oh, well, do you want to just have all this inside you? And people will be like, yeah. And then that's it, we're fucked. Speak soon.